Okay, students, today we will discuss some more functions of file handling. One function is tell and another function is seek. Okay, so first of all, what I am doing here, I am going to create one program for writing the data in the file. After that, I will make one more program for reading the data, and then I will discuss the meaning of these functions. I open the file. Suppose file name is data.txt in writing mode. Then I use f dot write. This is computer period /n for line change, and then second line we are doing Python. Now I save this file in desktop. With file 1, I run the program. So there is no any error message. So look at here. So data file is here. I open the file. Here is no any written work. I'm just checking. So data is here. Now I'm going to make another program. I open the file. Data1.txt in reading mode. Now I use here print f dot tell. I run the program. So look at here in the screen, it is 0. So tell function will tell us regarding the location of the cursor. इस समय cursor कौन सी location के ऊपर है, it will tell us. So because there is no any written work is there, reading work is there, so cursor location is at 0 location, means before any text. Now we read the data and save the data in W. So this is not a compulsory. We can read the data like this. We read the data. I use here print f dot tell.
स्क्रीन नहीं आ रही सर आपकी।
Wait.
सर अभी भी
Uh, now Ishmael, it is visible.
यस सर अब आ गया।
Okay, beta. I run the coding. So look at here, answer is 46. So if I count the data in the file, look at here. So I'm opening the file first. My file name is data1. So look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will show the last cursor position because we read the complete file. Now cursor is at the end of the file. So tell function will give us the current location of the file. So look at here, in place of reading complete file, I am using here read line 4. So it means it will read 4 characters. So look at here. Look at here. So answer is 4. It means whenever we use tell function, it will give us the exact location of the cursor. Okay, students, any doubt in this? Supriya?
Please show the output once.
Supriya, repeat your doubt, beta. Ishmael?
Sir, please show the output once.
Okay. So this is the output.
हाँ जी सर।
Okay, concept is clear. So this is a tell function. Now next is next I will discuss the seek function. So just the tell function tell us the current location of the file, but seek function is used to send the file pointer to a particular location in the file. Suppose, look at here, I am reading the file, saving the data in variable w. After that, I print the variable. Now cursor is at the end of the location, end of the file. Now what I am doing here, f dot, first I am again use f dot, w is equal to f dot read, again second time. I am displaying one message. Second time reading. So after that, after reading, I print w again. So look at here, I am running the program. So look at here. First, it show here is 0. It means current location of the file. It read the file, display the data on the screen, and location is 46. At the end of the file is 46. Now second time reading, but second time reading is not there because cursor is at the end of the file. So if I'm doing here, I'm placing the cursor in the beginning of the file. So what I will do here, f dot seek 0. It means beginning of the location, the beginning of the file. I run the program. Look at here. Second time it read the file again, because we have placed the cursor in the beginning of the file. So reading work is there. So in place of beginning, if I'm using here 10, so then look at here. Look at here. It starts from M. So it here is because first 10 character it remove, it start from 10th character. So any doubt in this, Manvia?
No, sir.
Ishpreet?
नो सर। सर एक बार कोड दिखाना सर, आपकी आवाज और वो आवाज कट रही थी, स्क्रीन लैग कर रही थी, इसलिए टाइप नहीं किया।
I'm showing better. Okay, students, now in the case of your seek, the parameter may be any particular number. Suppose seek 20. So it will place the cursor at 20th location. But in case I am using here 20 by default from beginning to 20th locations. ये 20 locations से शुरू करेगा. Here if I use here 0, by default it is from beginning. It 0 indicate beginning of the file. So 0 indicate beginning of file. But if I am using here 1, it means it is current position, means current position of the cursor. And in case I am using here 2, 2 means end of file. So there are two parameters. One is the bytes location. Second is from where. It may be from beginning or current or end of file. 0 indicate beginning, 1 indicate current position, and 2 indicate end of the file. Dhruv, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, Dhruv,
हाँ जी sir.
in last line, what is the error? In last line, there is a one problem. Avi,
हाँ जी sir.
बेटा लास्ट टाइम में प्रॉब्लम क्या है यहाँ पे?
So just a second. सर वो एरर इसलिए देगा कि उसके बाद कुछ है ही नहीं।
ये देखो बेटा, यस वेरी गुड बेटा, वेरी गुड। देखो पहली वाली लाइन का मीनिंग है 20th कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द लाइन। वन मींस 20 कैरेक्टर फॉरवर्ड, आगे की तरफ, फ्रॉम करंट लोकेशन। सपोज आपकी करंट लोकेशन 10 है, तो आप कहां पे पहुंच जाओगे? 30K पर पहुंच जाओगे। पर जब आपने 2 लिखा, इट मींस एंड ऑफ द फाइल, एंड ऑफ वैल्यूज फाइल से आप 20 कैरेक्टर, हाउ यू कैन गो फॉरवर्ड? So here we can use negative value like -20 to -20 bytes, 20 location backside. So a very good observation. Tanveer, it is clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about your seek and tell function. I am again repeating, tell function tell us, give the information about the current location of the file, but your seek function will place the cursor in between the files. Suppose look at here, I'm making one program. Look at here, I read the file, first beginning location. Yes, Avi, there is a doubt.
सर एक बार ना टेल फंक्शन का यूज करके दिखा दो, वो नहीं समझ रहे।
देखो बेटा, टेल फंक्शन में टेल अस द करंट लोकेशन। जैसे हमने फाइल ओपन की, हमने कुछ रीड नहीं किया, तो टेल फंक्शन हमें बता रहा है 0 0 इंडिकेट दैट इट इज बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फाइल। ठीक है, अब हमने सपोज हमने फाइल को रीड कर लिया और टेल फंक्शन हमने लगाया, तो टेल फंक्शन हमें बताएगा एंड ऑफ द फाइल दैट इज 46। अभी इट इज
ओके
क्लियर?
सर।
ठीक है,
हाँ जी हाँ जी।
तो यहाँ पे व्हाट आई एम डूइंग हियर, नाउ आई एम not displaying the data, I'm just reading the data.
सर जो सा आपने लिखा था ना कि सीक -20,2, सर वो एरर आ रहा है सर सिस्टम में। तो
I will do, I'm doing that beta. Wait. I read the file, then with the tell function I print the location. No, it is the end of the file 46. Then what I'm doing here, I'm placing the cursor -10 from the end of the file. Now after that I display the location again. So I am running the program. Wait, beta, there is error. So look at here. We open the file, and with the help of tell-g, we display this the location that is 0. We go to the 15 location and then tell the what is the location. So now look at here, I'm running the program. So in beginning, it is in 0 location, then 15. It moves the cursor to particular location. And if I am using again f dot seek 0, it means beginning of the file, and then I print f dot tell function, so it indicate print. Wait. So look at here again, pointer placed to the beginning of the file. But whenever I try to give 1 or 2 in place of 0, it is giving the error. So I will discuss what is the problem here. Later on I will discuss. Okay, students, any doubt in this? So time is over. Now I'm closing the meeting. If you have any doubt, raise your hand, sweetheart.